Shaped like a Zeppelin and driven by a propeller, this new type of railway coach, in tests near Hanover, travelled at 150 kilometres, that is about 94 miles, per hour. The invention of a German engineer, Herr Kuchenberg, this combination of an omnibus running on rails and an airship has accommodation for 40 passengers. It has 2 compartments, one for smokers, a luggage room and a vestibule. Driven by a 500 horsepower engine, it consumes oil fuel at a very low cost. The coach is streamlined throughout its length, and one of the most remarkable features of this trial was that it was travelling at over 90 miles per hour within 60 seconds of starting.